In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to connect .NET Console application to SQLite Database using dotConnect for SQLite. You have the option to choose between a free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts 30 days, providing access to all features. It's not for commercial use and doesn't require a license key. To begin, simply download the installer from the Dvart website and install it. If you decide to buy the full version, your activation key can be found in the Dvart customer portal. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your connection properties and click Test Connection to confirm that everything is set up properly. Keep in mind that the dotConnect for SQLite perfectly works with Encryption Extension, an add-on that encrypts databases and fully supports a wide range of SQLite-specific features. Once the connection is live, expand the connection to see all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect its fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the structure of the data. Next up, let's get the necessary components. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, select the NuGet Package Manager, and Manage NuGet Packages for solutions. Search Dvart Data SQLite and click Install. Your project is ready to work. In our case, we'll configure the project by replacing the default code with a pre-written script that checks the connection to your database using ADO.NET. The video's description includes an example of this code. In this script, we'll set up the connection string, which includes data source and license key. We will connect to the database and retrieve data from the table. Once we run the application, the console window will display the result, showing whether the connection was successfully established and whether sample table rows were fetched. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.